Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this issue in WordPress. People ask that why do images in the slider look pixelated, blurry, zoomed in, like all those kind of things. I guess on the screen you can see this image on the slider doesn't look so well, and this image, but look at this looks 100% perfect. You understand? So why is that? I even tried to change, because those images have the same dimension. I thought these images are not the same, so I'm gonna go to Google, I download 2-3 images same size and upload them. Then you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, then we're gonna fix it. By 800, yes, by 800. Fine. See this? This is perfect for us. Let me name it 80. Save. Same size. 90. Okay. It's gonna be 70. Okay. That's right. I think those are enough to test with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my slider, start with the first one, seven zero. Okay, insert, publish. You can see how it looks like. It's 1, 2, 3. That's it. You can see that all the images fit in nicely. 2. You see there is no space at the bottom on the slider, so simply means everything here is fine. You can see, but we still have stress. Okay, how do you fix this? You don't need to change images. The fix is very simple. We're gonna repeat the same process. I'm gonna delete. No, I'm not going to delete. I'm gonna re-upload the same images. But now the trick, when you're uploading, I'm using the same images here. I'm gonna take 1, 70, here you select full size, insert, okay, scroll. You can see how it looks like. It's like it's fixed. Alright, we're gonna go to another one, do the same thing. Scroll up here, take full size, you can see how it looks like. Then we go to last one, you can see how it looks like. There's nothing I changed, I just went in there and took what I was supposed to do only. Done. So I think that's it, guys. So in the process of uploading pictures, you must put the pictures in full width, like as we said here. Let's see. And so when you select the image, you scroll here and say full size. So if you choose, sometimes, sorry, by default it's in 300 by 120, so the pictures will look like stretched. That's the only conflict you're gonna have. So after doing that, everything is gonna be fine. You don't have to delete even the images, you have to use the same images. Remember the images we used before, like this or like this, same thing, won't give us trouble. You can see how beautiful it is. It looks super beautiful, super beautiful. You can see super beautiful. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Share our content if it worked for you. If it didn't work for you, also leave a comment. We'll see what we can do. Explain your story.